What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today we'll be making some condensed milk cinnamon rolls. You will absolutely love this one. So guys, let's get started. To my bowl, I'm going to go ahead, add some more milk, some sugar, give it a good little mix. Now I'm going to go in with my yeast and I'm going to give it another mix and set it aside to proof for about 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to get nice and foamy. Now after 10 minutes, this is what our yeast mixture is looking like. You want to add an egg and give it a good mix to break up the egg yolk. Now in with our flour. Here I'm using bread flour. Feel free to use all-purpose flour if that's what you have. Go in with your salt and a little bit of baking powder. Now I'm going to grate in some nutmeg. No, just maybe an eighth of a teaspoon. I will leave the full measurement down below. Go ahead and start your mixer off on low and increase the speed until you achieve a shaggy mess. Now we're going to go in with our butter and we're going to mix this on high speed for about 10 minutes until the dough is soft and sticky but not tacky. Now because we're making bread, the softer the dough, the better the texture. So that's how you want your bread to be soft. Now we're going to transfer this to our mat, form it into a ball, and we're going to set this aside to proof for about 45 minutes to an hour in a warm area. So you want to grease your bowl, add your dough, cover with a nice clean tea cloth or plastic wrap, and allow this to proof and double in size. In the meantime, let's make our filling. So to that bowl, I add some softened cream cheese, some butter, some cinnamon, some sugar, and some vanilla. We're going to mix and combine to create a smooth paste-like consistency. We want to incorporate everything so we have one nice, clean, smooth texture. Now our dough is ready. We're going to deflate and we're going to shape our cinnamon roll. So you want to make sure you roll the dough in like a rectangular shape, just so you could have a nice area to roll. It doesn't really have to be perfect, but make sure you get it into somewhat looking like a rectangle. Now you're going to take that mixture and you're going to smother it all over that dough. You want to go as close as possible to the edge, not going over, and just make sure to spread on that filling in a even layer. Now we're going to go ahead and roll it up. So you want to roll and tuck to make sure you want to get tight rolls so we could form the swirl on the inside. So roll and tuck, because right here the dough is quite soft and it may seem like it wants to tear, but no, don't go ahead, just roll and tuck until you are all done. Then you're going to go ahead and create a little part over here to seam the dough shut on itself, and you're going to form it over and make sure you get it nice and tightly sealed. Now we're going to go ahead and cut into pieces. Today I'll be using a flavorless dental floss, but if you have a sharp knife, you could go in with that. So you want to slide it under and just use your floss to cut your cinnamon rolls. The floss gives a more cleaner cut, but if you're not picky and you're not fussy, you could go in with a knife. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this all up until it's done. And I'm putting these in a grease bowl that was greased with some cooking butter, and I'm going to set these aside to double in size again for an additional 20 minutes while my oven preheats to about 350. After that time, now I'm going to go ahead and drizzle on some condensed milk on top. Now the condensed milk is going to go ahead and caramelize on top and create that nice gooey texture on the bottom. After 350-degree baking for about 30 minutes, this is what it's looking like, and it smells amazing. This one went by really fast. My family dig in before I could get a proper presentation or a proper thumbnail. But hey, nonetheless, this one was a hit and everybody loved it. The texture of the bread was soft and chewy, and trust me, yeah, you will love this one. The full measurement will be down below. Don't forget to give me a like, share it, and comment. And yeah, that's it, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day, and bye-bye.